Hey everybody, Mike Pfeiffer on the Bronco channel. In the garage, but I'm headed outside. Hey everybody, Mike Pfeiffer on the Bronco channel. I'm headed outside because everybody seems to like cold start videos. Well, in New Mexico, we don't get a chance to do very many cold starts. But let me flip you around here, if I can. We had about 32 degrees this morning, and it's very rare for us to have snow. So here she is, and we're gonna do a cold start. Let me get in. Oh. Okay, let's give her a shot. She started right up. New radio in place. Let me turn the camera back. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the cold start, and we'll look for you on the next video.